Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh, and you're watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Let's take a look at the top stories of the day. The BJP has intensified its campaign against the Aam Aadmi Party with the release of an Arop Patra, accusing the Kejriwal government of failing to address key issues like pollution, corruption, and basic amenities. BJP MP Anurag Thakur highlighted severe allegations, including multiple scams and environmental mismanagement, while Arvind Kejriwal dismissed the claims, accusing the BJP of lacking a clear election agenda. As the Delhi elections approach, the political battle is heating up. In another development, the Delhi High Court has denied anticipatory bail to former IAS trainee Pooja Khedkar in the UPSC cheating case. Khedkar is accused of manipulating her identity to secure additional examination attempts. The court's decision has further intensified scrutiny on the alleged misuse of examination privileges. 3 suspected Khalistani terrorists were killed during an encounter in Uttar Pradesh. The state's DGP, Prashant Kumar, confirmed that the individuals succumbed to injuries sustained during the operation. Investigations reveal potential ISI links, and authorities are continuing their probe, with more arrests expected in the coming days. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has criticized the BJP over ongoing excavations in Sambhal, claiming it reflects poorly on governance. Yadav issued a stark warning, suggesting the ruling party might be digging its own political downfall. The excavation followed a report from the Sanatan Sevak Sangh regarding a stepwell in the area. In the entertainment world, reports suggest that Siddharth Anand, not Sujoy Ghosh, will hem Shah Rukh Khan and Suhana Khan's upcoming film, King. The project, which also features Abhishek Bachchan, is being produced by Red Chillies Entertainment and Maflix. An official announcement is expected soon, with discussions ongoing for a prominent A-list actress to join the cast. Fans of Ye Jawani Hai Deewani are abuzz after Dharma Productions shared a cryptic post hinting at a potential sequel. While no official confirmation has been made, excitement is building for what could be a continuation of the iconic film. Protests have erupted in Jammu and Kashmir against a controversial reservation policy, with Omar Abdullah's son joining demonstrators. The policy's future remains uncertain as both the government and judiciary closely monitor the escalating situation. The Supreme Court has granted bail to a man from Punjab accused of rape, citing allegations of false charges influenced by a police officer. This development comes amid broader controversies involving Lawrence Bishnoi, whose name has surfaced in unrelated threats and offences in recent weeks. Lastly, in Kolkata, BJP protests have drawn attention to the alleged preferential treatment of non-Hindu Bangladeshi patients in private hospitals. This issue highlights growing tensions between India and Bangladesh, impacting cultural and diplomatic ties. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Channel 6 Network for more updates. Thank you for watching and have a great evening.